Hello, everyone. My name is Arnaldo Espinel, and today we're going to talk about long-term care (LTC) insurance policies. My intention is to share with you some basics of this type of policies and some principles and characteristics you need to take into account in order to plan your benefits and assistance when you need it. Now, I will share with you some slides to make a better explanation of the topics. This presentation is brought to you by World Financial Group, WFG, and Nationwide. Take comfort in the familiar. Today, we're going to address the understanding and planning for long-term care. Here you can see some disclosures that you can read it. You can stop the video and read it by yourself. I won't spend time on this right now, but it's right here. And now we're going to jump directly to the concepts. We're going to talk about explanation of long-term care, why planning matters, understanding your options, picturing your plan, and how your benefits work. What is long-term care? There are many misconceptions about this topic, and this is a very good way to put it. Long-term care, LTC, is a variety of support and services designed to help people live as independently, as safely as possible when they cannot no longer do so on their own. So basically, LTC is applied when you have physical limitations and you cannot take care of yourself. So you will need help to perform your daily activities. More than half of all LTC claims are paid for home health care. What does it mean? It means that LTC is not a place. It's not a nursing home. You can have LTC protection in your house. Actually, 52% of the benefits are performed in your house, at home. 25% in assisted living and 23% in nursing homes. Now, how do we know we're going to need long-term care in our lives? The chances to need LTC in your life are typically high. And planning for that scenario can ensure that you take, not only that you will have the care that you will need, but also that your preferences are carried out in the future. So it's not just that you will have the support, it's also that you will choose from now the type of support and the place and the level of support you want to have in the case you need it. A very important part of LTC planning includes expenses. The cost of long-term care is expected to increase significantly over the next 20 years. As you can see here in the slide, home health aid may duplicate from 58,000 to 105,000 annually. So if you need this type of care for 2 or 3 years, you may be spending all the money that you saved for your retirement just taking care of yourself. The same situation happened with assisted living. For 2022, the estimate was about $55,000. It's expected to duplicate also to $98,000. And in a nursing home, it's even worse. It's even more expensive. For 2022, it's already double. It's over $100,000, and it's expected to be for 2042, in 20 years, above $200,000 per year. So you can imagine if you spend 5 years needing LTC, we are talking about $1 million. So as I said at the beginning, you are not only planning for LTC, you are also planning for the preferences for care. What type of care would you want? So for that, we have different tools. You need to consider, first of all, the following questions. Where do you want to receive the care you need? Also, who do you want to provide your care? And thirdly, what local support do you have? Now, it's very important to clarify some common misconceptions. First of all, health insurance by itself does not cover long-term care. You will have to add some riders with additional costs involved. Medicaid is just an option for individuals who have very little income. So most of the people won't qualify to use long-term care under Medicaid. And Medicare covers up to 100 days of care only. So in either case, you will have long-term care or at least enough coverage under these features. So we have different programs you can use. You can use the life insurance policy with an LTC rider. You can use also the link benefit LTC policy. And also you can use the standalone LTC insurance policy. There are two typical ways to receive your benefits. One is reimbursement and the other is cash indemnity. On the reimbursement, the bills need to be submitted and approved each month. You need to wait and see if the service is covered. If the service is covered, then you will need to pay out of pocket and then wait for the reimbursement to be made by the insurance company. A benefit that Nationwide is offering in this case is the cash indemnity, where you don't have to submit bills. You can elect to receive 100% of the available monthly benefit and you use it without restrictions. And also you can choose to reduce your monthly benefit and in order to preserve your death benefit or extend the period for LTC benefits. In order to achieve these goals, you can use any of the options I'm going to present now. The first one is Nationwide Long-Term Care Rider 2. You will have access to 100% of your monthly cash benefit guaranteed to be available. You won't have any restrictions in how you're going to spend the money. You will receive care in a familiar home, maybe your home or a family member's home. And also it will help to protect your assets and income sources so you can maintain your family lifestyle. And the other option is Nationwide Care Matters 2, which is a linked benefit long-term care coverage using a universal life policy. Here you have your premiums guaranteed, your benefits will range between 2 and 7 years, and you can have different payment schedules to suit your situation. Additionally, you will have death benefits that will be paid whether or not you use your LTC benefits. And additionally to that, you can include that inflation protection because this service will be more expensive every single year. What are the next steps for you? First of all, you need to talk to your financial professional. You can talk to me anytime. You can contact me through this channel or just call me or send me an email, and I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for your time today. If you like this video, please give us a like and share with your friends and family members.